my outdoor faucet is leaking like that. I believe if I replace a washer in here, it might fix the problem. I'm gonna go ahead and go to a Home Depot and get some washer, and probably just for a spare, I'm gonna get the whole unit just in case, and to fix this leaky faucet. First step, what I did, I went ahead and turned off the water here, like this, and then now, so this is off. Just to keep the water, I put a little bucket here to save the water from, from waste. So you can use adjustable wrench and then just loosen this. Very simple. Just put another hand here. You can put to hold this fixed. You can put a crescent wrench here, or the plier here. So just kind of remove this and maybe clean this up a little bit. And I'm gonna put plumber tape here a little bit. Looks like it is 1/2 inch faucet here. I think it's like, how much do you pay at Home Depot? This might be around 12, 13 bucks here. I'm not sure. Either 12 or $14 here for this. Getting more expensive. Used to pay under $10 before. It's like a quarter turn here, which is pretty good. Yeah, then turn this clockwise by hand. Make sure it doesn't go in smoothly, doesn't strip the thread here, and then I'm gonna use the adjustable wrench to tighten it up a little bit. Not too tight at a time, and see if it works okay with no leak. Like I said, you should hold another end here with something there, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway, gently. And then another turn here to light it up. Once you're done, just turn it back on again. A little bit tight here. Then turn it on. Wow. Pretty tight. Okay, so I give it probably like almost a couple turns here, and seems to be fit okay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the water. And no leaking here, so it works. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and click like to help me out so more people can see this. It's pretty simple, really. I just want to show you how simple it is for this particular one. There's no soldering or anything like that. Anyway, we'll see you folks on the next video, and thanks so much. Have a great week. Bye for now.